I'm Kellen Wilson, and we're here in Telluride, Colorado. Nestled in the San Juan Mountains, this beautiful town has so much to offer. We're going to visit one of the oldest bars in the West, take a ride on North America's only public transit gondola system, and we're even going heli-skiing. Welcome to Telluride. The downtown of Telluride was designated a National Historic Landmark District in 1964. This has allowed for beautifully preserved Main Street. It's really one of the most picturesque main streets in the world. Let's go see some of the historic sites. Telluride's history is really unlike anywhere else. We're here in front of the Mar building where Butch Cassidy had his first bank robbery in 1889. Now let's go check out one of the oldest bars in the West, the new Sheridan. We're here at the new Sheridan bar, located in the new Sheridan Hotel. Above the bar are slanted mirrors, so gunslingers back in the day knew who was coming up behind them. The original hotel was built in 1891 out of wood and burnt down in a fire. In '94, it was rebuilt in brick, and here we are today. We're grabbing a quick coffee and heading up on the gondola. We'll see you there. We're headed up the gondola now. We're going to stop at the top at San Sofia Station. You can see the historic Main Street that we were just on and the beautiful mountain ranges that surround it. When you visit Telluride, you're really visiting two towns, the town of Telluride and the town of Mountain Village. They're separated by this 10,500-foot ridge behind me and connected by this gondola. The gondola has been annually shuttling nearly 3 million skiers, snowboarders, mountain bikers, and of course, daily commuters.
Now that we've checked out the views here at San Sofia Station, we're going to take the gondola back down into Mountain Village. We're here in the core of Mountain Village, and there are so many things to do. It's amazing restaurants, shopping, and activities like ice skating in the plaza. All right, it's almost lunchtime, so I'm gonna head up the chairlift and go check out Bon Vivant for lunch. There's plenty of on-mountain dining. We're currently going over Guarano Ranch, but we're on our way up to Bon Vivant, the French cuisine restaurant.
This winter-only restaurant is accessible from numerous ski trails, which makes it the perfect place to get lunch on the mountain.
This already looks amazing. I think I'm gonna eat all of it. Nothing left for the camera, guys. We've got poutine, charcuterie board, a mushroom soup. Oh my God, so good. We're here at the Peaks Resort and Spa, which is really one of the best places you can stay if you're looking to come to Telluride. You can book a wide variety of experiences through the peaks, such as snowmobiling, snowshoeing, dog sledding, and of course, heli-skiing, which is really why we're here. So Heidi, tell me a little bit more about Heli-Tracks.
Heli-Tracks was formed in 1982 by 4 passionate skiers here in Telluride. We're Colorado's only full-service heli-ski operation. Meeting in the morning, meet your guide, head out in the bird, you get 6 full runs. You can add on more if you're having a fun time. Professional guides and really stunning views of the San Juan Mountains.
Oh, I'm so excited. So what kind of ability do people need to be to go on a trip like this?
So we recommend everybody be at least an advanced intermediate, as long as you feel really confident skiing a black diamond on Telluride Ski Resort with fresh snow. You're gonna have a great day with Heli-Tracks.
So what do we do next?
We're gonna get down to the helicopter, we're gonna load the bird and fly into the San Juans.
All right, let's go. We just got dropped off up here in the Alpine with Heli-Tracks. It's super bluebird day, so I think we're gonna have a really great time. gosh, it was so much fun. We had such a great time. Getting to spend the end of the day here with Heli-Tracks was really the cherry on top to a really amazing day.
Thank you everyone so much for coming on this adventure through Telluride with me. Hopefully now you understand why this is really one of the best ski towns in the world. Hope to see you on the slopes. Cheers!